So here's interesting apps called DuetAI, AI duet songs. Create unique AI duet songs. So this app is climbing really high in the charts these days. As you can see, #1 in music, above Spotify and YouTube Music. So what it does, are you ready to transform your favorite song into sensation new renditions? Introducing Banger, doing the groundbreaking AI-powered platform that brings you sensational AI-covered duets. So you can replace vocal, so seamlessly replaces the original vocals in any song with the chosen voice. Extensive voice library, extensive collection of singers and voices, dynamic duet creation, share and collaborate. So yeah, you can see all of these things here. So you can choose singers, you can choose song, you can share and go viral. So create unique AI compositions with this app. I think this app before was called like a Banger AI or something like that. But okay, so there is like a free trial, then $7 per week. So then you can just start by creating a duet. So choose from singers, original singers, boom, Bobby, okay, and then you just need to select the song. Sign up and turn it to be notified once your cover is ready. So all right, so let's just enter the cover. They're giving you 2 credits. And then they still ask you to upgrade to premium. So yeah, basically now you can just see the cover of the song is just yeah, you can see it just sings in different voice, and then you can share it, you can delete it, and then choose singers. Here you select. You can select banger voices. Here you can see all the like Bart Simpson, Eric Cartman. Some of them still need like a premium subscription. There's add out, and then you can also add your own voice. Unfortunately, you need to upgrade to add your own voice here. So that's just what it is. And then here you have voices. You create your voice. You can just read sentences. Ladies and gentlemen, the thrill I feel is unmatched. We are united, triumphed, and now the world serve a place with us. So here's to us, the heroes of today. Cheers to boundless adventures ahead. Now read it with your highest voice. Ik, ik, ik. Reach for the sky, let your voice fly. So basically, something like that. Then you just add your own voice here. And then here's your account where you can just try it out. You can also change the app icon. Here's the what it is. So yeah, that's the app. Give it a try.